What is up, everybody? We're Jeff and Jess with Two Moose Design, and in today's video we're going to give you 5 items that every woodworker or DIYer needs. These also make great gifts with the holidays coming around.
Stick around till the end and we'll even throw in an extra. And it's not the dog.
Alright, so we're going to go through each item and then show you a quick demonstration of how to use each item, or just a couple ideas. So the first one is this 90-degree bit tool. I've tried a few like this. I've tried the flexible ones and they're just not that great. This one is by far my favorite. Just screws in like that. Oops, nice and easy. I'll also attach a video up here of another example.
And the next item we have is this little Dremel Go. Now there's actually a newer version of this that's a little bit different, but I still freaking love this thing. You can take it with you anywhere in the shop. It's cordless. The charge lasts a really long time. Like, I plug it in maybe once a month, and it's just super easy. It has variable speeds. They're about $30. They fit nicely into tight spots, and you can keep it in the house just to have on hand.
And the next item on the list is this mixing pour spout deal thing. It's got a little mixer on top. Has this paddle on the inside to get everything mixed up off the bottom. Clamps on super easy. And then it pours just like that. I'll attach a video up here of it in use. And next on the list is these rubber reusable twist ties. I'm big into the outdoors. I keep 2 3 of these just on my hiking backpack, and there's just so many endless uses for them. But in the shop, you can use them to control cords on your power tools. There's just so many endless uses. Buy a pack, set them on your workbench, and I promise you will use them.
All right, and the next items on our list are actually the most expensive out of the gift items, but you're going to get the most value from them. So these are all IsoTunes wireless headphones. We have the Muff Style, the Lynx, the IsoTunes Pro 2.0s, and then my favorite, the IsoTune Freeze. They are cordless, wireless, and the case charges it. So whenever I'm not using them, they're actually charging, which is perfect. We really like these because the battery life is great and they sound really awesome. And on the IsoTunes Free case, you actually get 2 charges in the case. Manny is not included. And here's the last little bitty item. This little guy will help you hold on to screws while you're trying to hang up decorations or whatever. Fits onto drill bits. And it magnetically holds your screws.
And the 7th item is this beautiful dog. Pick up your own dog at the local shelter.
He's not available. Good
price.
Whoa.
That was almost bad.
Did that almost go through the window or my face?
The camera.
Oh my god.
And the window. And next on the list, these rubber twisty tie things.
Just say next on the list, these reusable rubber twist ties.
And next on the list, these
reusable rubber twist ties.
And then next on the list, these
reusable rubber twist ties.
Reusable
rubber twist ties.
Reusable rubber twist ties. Reusable rubber twist ties. And next on the list is these reusable rubber twist ties. God, that was good. And then next on the list is these rubber reusable twist ties.
Reusable rubber twist ties.
Why does it matter?
It doesn't.
Okay. What up?
What up?
What up, dude? What is up, everybody?